Hello, welcome back to Om Sacred Space, and this is the third video of Shree Yantra series. In this video, I'm gonna remind you a little bit how to start your meditation. I'm gonna be chanting the mantra for 9 times. You can turn on the volume and listen through my chant while you do Tratak at the bindu of the Shree Yantra, or you can directly turn off my volume and just keep looking at the bindu, but on the background, the same mantra 108 times. Of course, once the video is done, just go, close your eyes, enter into trance, and forget all the worries all around. First of all, I want to activate my temple, and I do it by bringing some divinity. It can be praising to any divinity and connecting. My way is through fire, because I'm as a person very water element, so I praise to Agni, to the fire element, to kind of balance out the energies within me and in my life. I will chant the mantra of Agni 9 times. I will connect deeply with her. I will ask her to activate this temple. I will tell her to be the communicator to all the divine beings in this temple, to send them my bowings and my devotion to all of them, so I don't have to do it one by one. And then after that, I offer it to the Shree Yantra 9 times. I activate the space. Sometimes I do like a little scan up and from down all the way up to cleanse and energize my chakras just with intention. And that's how I activate the temple before starting the Tratak with the Shree Yantra. Now, before starting, remember that the mantra has to vibrate your whole body. Chant the mantra with devotion, with respect. Intentionally keep in mind what you want out of this, and because you're offering already your devotion. Remember that it's a both ways energy tool, and healing already happens just by looking at the bindu and spending some time there. It already balances out your brain, your whole life, the energies, masculine, feminine in your life. So keep that in mind when you're chanting the mantra. And also while chanting, open broader the throat, make space. Feel the vibrations go all the way down and all the way up. It's just the same like how I taught in one of my videos. So just with Om, I played with my throat, I sent the vibrations down, I expanded them, and then I sent them upwards when closing the consonant and closing this whole circle of energies around me. The mantra has few words, not only Om, but try to say each word, making it vibrating your whole body, if possible. Om Shri Rim Shri Kamale Kamalale Prasidar Prasidar Om Shri Rim Shri Mahalakshmi Om Shri Rim Shri Kamale Kamalale Prasidar Prasidar Om Shri Rim Shri Mahalakshmi Om Shri Rim Shri Kamale Kamalale Prasidar Prasidar Om Shri Rim Shri Mahalakshmi Om Shri Rim Shri Kamale Kamalale Prasidar Prasidar Om Shri Rim Shri Mahalakshmi Om Shri Rim Shri Kamale Kamalale Prasidar Prasidar Om Shri Rim Shri Mahalakshmi Om Shri Rim Shri Kamale Kamalale Prasidar Prasidar Om Shri Rim Shri Mahalakshmi Om Shri Rim Shri Kamale Kamalale Prasidar Prasidar Om Shri Rim Shri Mahalakshmi
Prasidar, prasidar. Om Shrim Rim Shrim Mahalakshmi Namah. Om Shrim Rim Shrim Kamale Kamalale Prasidar, prasidar. Om Shrim Rim Shrim Mahalakshmi Namah.
Another important thing to mention is that I advise you to memorize the mantra rather than listening to it, because this way you vibrate your body. You connect stronger, and through breath work while chanting the mantra, you also enter easier and faster into trance. Another thing that I also do is, after saying in each mantra repetition that I do, the last word is Namaha, so I mentally bow when I say that. You don't need to make a pause between one mantra and another mantra, or just go as per the flow. There is no need to make the exhalation and then wait and then start a new breath with a new mantra. Like in this exercise, we are not practicing the longer we are without breath to leave the soul and feel the energies. We are working on connection. So even the more faster you repeat, the more in trance and connection you will enter into with the Shree Yantra. Another thing as well is that once you start entering into trance, you will start seeing the Shree Yantra moving. Try to not get distracted by that. Still focus on the vibrations, on your own voice, on the mantra that you have to say, and the connection between your eyes and the bindu, which is the middle central point. Whatever else you see with your peripheral view, that in the beginning maybe the image only will be moving, don't pay attention to it. Don't feed your conscious mind on thoughts like, oh, what happened? Don't get excited. It's gonna happen. Just keep flowing with the bindu connection. One time maybe you will also start seeing things around you, like colors and energies moving around you. Still keep having that connection with the bindu. Don't take out your eyes from there. Hope this video was helpful for you to remind you how to connect with the Shree Yantra, how to activate it, and teach you a little bit how I do the meditations. And it is one of the fastest way to enter into trance with the Shree Yantra. If you try this to do 108 times, then that's gonna be a lot of energy of yours poured in there, meaning that that's the same quantity of energy that will bathe you back in this divinity. Remember that just by looking at it, you're already getting healed.